Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about a juice that has many uses, and that juice is lemon juice. Lemon juice can be used in canning, it can be used for making lemonade, it can be used in laundry as well. Before bleach was readily available, people used to use lemon juice to whiten the white shirts and white linens and stuff. So think about getting some lemon juice, or better yet, plant a lemon tree so you have an endless supply of lemon juice. All right. What else was there about? There was something else I wanted to tell you. It's not coming to mind. If I remember it, I'll put it in the description, or I'll put it in the first comment. But lemon juice is a staple. It's been in my family's kitchen before I was born. So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing, lemon juice. Learn a new skill every month and grow some food. Like plant a lemon tree, and that way you can grow your own lemon juice. But seriously, folks, grow some fresh vegetables at home, because the stuff they have in the store, the chemicals they put on it to preserve them, keep them looking pretty and stuff, you don't want in your body.